Hi, Microsoft Excel user, welcome to our channel. Suppose you have large worksheet with multiple columns and you want to delete empty columns. How do you quickly solve this in Excel? You can delete the columns by selecting them and then right-click to choose Delete from the context menu manually. But DOS for Excel Premium tool help you save time and effort while working with large worksheets. First, go to DOS option, then navigate to Delete and click Delete Columns. Check the option for empty columns after selecting a range of cells. Then press the Apply button. The result will be shown within few seconds. Isn't it great? So, hope you have achieved some valuable information. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for valuable tutorials. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.